Y'all, what the world? It just started snowing. We gotta go. No. We done got off of 90. Now we on some kind of country highway. So we found our loaded trailer. And yeah. Y'all see how it's going. Hey, what is up, Slimepack Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. Listen, if you're new here, you're a part of the Slimepack Nation family. Welcome back, and if this is your first time clicking on my video, make sure you go ahead and like this video, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed now. Come on now, you're watching the videos, you might as well hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload, which is every week. Some weeks you may get 4 videos, some weeks you may get 3 or 5, but just know I'm constantly dropping vlogs, whether I'm home or on the road. I'm gonna drop that content for y'all. I don't care if I'm sick or not. I'm gonna put that work in to bring forth these videos. So for those of you that are new here, because I do got a lot of new subscribers, y'all can see we over 80K. But yeah, if you're new here, I upload my videos in order. So whenever I get ready to speak on a load, sometimes I may mention something that happened in my last video, which will be my previous load. So each load, each video always brings me into the next video. So on my last video, I picked up a load that brought me off my home time, and I delivered that in Massachusetts. Currently, right now, I am in Connecticut. How did I get to Connecticut? I'm getting ready to tell y'all. So me being, you know, the kind of smart person that I am, I said, I'm going to sit here until I get another load, because I don't want to move my clock at all, because I had already paused my clock. I was off duty for like 4 hours at the last location from my last video. I'm trying to hurry up and speed y'all into this load, but yeah, I was off duty for like 4 hours. Didn't receive nothing. I got tired of waiting there. I said, you know what? I'm getting ready to go ahead and head to a Lowe's so I can park up and get my shower before the truck stops get full. Now, okay, I look at the trucker path. I'm a Lowe's girl. I like to go to Lowe's, and plus we get free showers at Lowe's, so why wouldn't I go to a Lowe's? Now there is, on Trucker Path, it was showing there was a Love's like 30 miles away going east, and then there was another Love's going west like 50 miles away. So I'm trying to, you know, weigh my options, trying to guess where I may get another load at. But I ended up going with the Love's that was the shortest distance, because I already knew what this Lowe's was about, what this Lowe's had to offer. So as soon as I started driving, y'all, I promise y'all, like 15 to 20 miles into me heading to this Lowe's, my dispatcher finally sends me a load. And it's like, I was on 90. There wasn't really nowhere for me to take an exit to get off and go back the opposite direction, because that's where this load was going, in the opposite direction to the other Lowe's that I had an option to pick from. So that's a little backstory on this, but let's go ahead and jump into the details of this load. Before we talk about the details of this load, I want y'all to know that this is probably the cheapest load that I have accepted. Yeah, other than something from Miami, Florida, that's like, you know, you really ain't gonna get paid coming from Miami, Florida. But y'all, this load is a total of 900 miles, only paying $1,100. $1,100. Now, I had to put a lot of things into perspective. So this load is a drop and hook at the pickup location, and I can pick it up 24 hours early, and also, no, 12 hours early. And also it's a drop and hook at the drop-off location, and it can be dropped off 24 hours early. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I could jump on this load, I could get it early, and I can drop it off early, and I could get started on another load. Today is Saturday. my plan is to drop this load off on Sunday. Now let me tell y'all where we going. We picking this new load up in New Berlin, New York, and we're gonna drop it off in Wilmington, Illinois. So also I had to think about it. I'm headed to where, okay, it's gonna be flat. It's gonna be a little hilly, but I'm empty. Right now I'm empty. Hopefully this load ain't too heavy. Also, I had to put in consideration that I'm heading in a path where I'm clear of snow. It's like right now the United States, you really ain't got no good location to go. Like even in the South it's snowing. Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina. So right now on 90 the roads are clear. The weather is showing sunshine for a couple of days until I think Monday. So I had to put that in consideration. And also I'm headed to Illinois. Illinois is where I make my most money. Meat. I ain't saying this is for all prime drivers, but in Illinois that's where I get the most paying loads. So I'm like, okay, I'm headed to where, you know, freight usually good and fuel is the cheapest. So I chose those options over the money. Now that we got that out of the way, y'all, we need to talk about my fuel. So right now we're getting ready to go over fuel real quick. Prime is telling me that I got 100 gallons in my truck, and they want me to get like 60 gallons at somewhere in New York where fuel is $2.85, and then in Ohio they want me to get 60 gallons and fuel there is $2.36. I can't really go by this fuel plan because I'm a whole opposite direction. I usually always pick my own fuel plan, but I always look at what Prime recommend and then I go off of that. Alright, y'all should be seeing my map up there on the screen. So this is the route that we taking. It's gonna take us up back towards 90, basically where I just left, y'all. Look at Springfield. That's where I just delivered to on my last video, and I came all the way back this way. And that Lowe's that I was talking about is right here, right there. I think like 70 miles away, 82 miles away. But yeah, we can't dwell on that. Let me remove all this stuff from here. Okay, so we're going on 90. We're gonna drop down to 88, and then we're gonna pick back up on 90. So we're gonna be on 90 basically the whole way, all the way. So now I'm getting ready to go back to my Prime fuel map, and I'm gonna look along that route to see who got the cheapest fuel. All right, so y'all done see the direction that we heading. Now we get ready to go here, go up 90. Hold on, slow it down, slow it down. Go all the way over. Fuel is going up to 280, 272 right there. 280. Hold on, hold on. I done went too far up. All right, yeah, there we go. 250 right here in Ohio. 233 right here. That's at a Petro though. And how many miles away that? Ooh, I ain't got enough fuel to make it that far. So we're gonna back up a little bit. I ain't got enough fuel to make it that far. Ooh, what's this? Erie. $4.95. That's playing right there. That's playing. Can't make it there. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and get fuel here. I don't know. I may just go ahead and fill it up or get 40 gallons. I think so. But yeah, I'll catch y'all over there at the fuel. We over here at the fuel pumps, and to save some time from being outside, we're gonna go ahead and pay for fuel on the app. I usually just use my card and stuff on the outside, but today, and for the, as long as it's cold, we're gonna be doing it this way. I think we gotta put some in the trailer, not much. Nah, we don't do no cash advances. Nope. Alright, let's go get this fuel. We just gonna put fuel in one side. That joint was loud. Go ahead and take the cap off of this. I always make it a habit to go behind my trailer anytime I stop. Check my trailer lights, even though I already did all this on my pre-trip. I don't know, it's just a habit. I try to make it a habit to always check, double check, triple check. Ain't nothing wrong with overly checking. I think I need to clean these windows. Okay, we got some water. You gotta have you some dishwasher liquid. I seen a comment that said, how do you know how far to pull up whenever you gotta put fuel in your trailer? And this is what I usually do. The landing gear, sometimes you can line it up directly with the nozzle, but usually maybe like a few inches before the nozzle, you'll be perfect. As y'all can see, I'm lined up directly with the landing gear and it was able to reach it. So if you like a few inches before it, it'll be even better. All right, fuel completed. Now we gotta go get that fuel for our soul and we hitting the road. Yo, what the world? It just started snowing. We gotta go. No, we gotta go. I was just talking about how I was out the path of the stuff. And here we go. Back to the usual. Salads.
Customer 10,
fruit.
Your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 2.
No apples. Maybe I'll do the grapes. Alright, y'all, there go the map. And we trying to get over here to Illinois. We got this. I'll see y'all at the next location.
Live it up, live it up, live it up.
Crazy, like roads being this condition and people are still pass by you going like 68, 70. How do I know? Because some trucks have a feature where if it's a vehicle within, you know, a certain amount of distance ahead of you, it can pick up how fast that vehicle is going, and it's like, man, they just be flying. Bro, it don't even look like the snow plows even touch this area. Ooh, this looks like somebody slid off the road or something. We done got off of 90. Now we on some kind of country highway. That's the only way to get to this shipper. Going through these little small towns. Oh, is that the sun coming out back there? Oh yeah, I love whenever I see that sun coming, y'all. That sun makes me so happy. But y'all, I know this truck and trailer is filthy, because it ain't nothing but slushy mud out here. Like dirty snow, I just say it's slushy mud. But we finally about to arrive at the shipper. We like currently 23 miles away. Probably won't get there until like 30 minutes later. And hopefully, please, let the load be ready. I hate whenever they don't never answer the phone. They still ain't answering the phone. I called them yesterday. I called them early this morning when I got up. I called them before I left. Still nobody wants to answer the phone. Y'all hear that? It's like when a roller coaster gets to the top and gets ready to go down, it just be like a pause of quietness. Look at my steps. Filthy. I ain't gonna lie. This load right here has made me more of a driver than I already was. Gonna leave that truck running. They didn't have no space on the side of the road for me to go check in because other people was parked, so I had to come down here and park. And now I'm getting ready to walk down to the shipping and receiving office. All right, we done finally made it over here towards the office. You already went?
I'm just trying to get a coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm here for a pickup with Prime.
What number?
LD 00.
You going to Illinois?
Yes, sir.
Can I have you fill out this thing here?
So my load is ready. Got the paperwork. They want me to bring my trailer and drop it in door 9 and then go back and pick up my loaded trailer. Alright, Slimepack Nation, we gotta kinda make this quick. Door number 9. What is that tanker doing? They in my way. Has he got it out yet? I hope he do. If not, then I'ma just put it in whatever door I see empty. I'm a little bit hard-headed, y'all. But I think he do got it. Okay, yeah, we good, we good. This can be almost a what, straight back? I was gonna ride over here with the doors open, but I said it's gonna get dirty in there. So let me hurry up and go open these doors. Oh! bend out, straight back it. Straight. Now we got to slide the tandems. So we found our loaded trailer, and yeah, y'all see how it's going. I can't prop y'all up nowhere because everything is just too nasty and too dirty. Look at here. Not putting the camera there. All right, we done did our depart call and everything. I had to get to some good ground so I can slide my tandems. I think we cool for right now. Paperwork say our gross 42,000, but net is 38. We in the 5th hole. It's still airing up right now, but my front gauge is telling me I'm like 32-ish, and this is what we is at the back. So pretty lighter towards the back. So we done made it over here to a service plaza. I gotta do a little pit stop, restroom break real quick. I've been drinking plenty of water. Last time I peed was when I took my shower at like, I think 2 a.m. And guess what they got, y'all? They just so happen to have a Starbucks. That's crazy. I never knew they had a Starbucks. Don't worry, people. I'm not getting no Starbucks. Not today. Just a quick bathroom break and we off to the truck stop. Y'all, nobody is in line at Starbucks.
Yeah, you already, man. Yeah, I support the sister, man, on YouTube. I definitely watch it. She was one of the motivations that got me in the truck.
Who you drive with?
Sister, man, Weston.
So you passed me.
Yeah, just now. Yeah.
Just to come here.
Yeah.
He passed me just for me to park right beside him.
Absolutely.
Come on, man. You couldn't stay behind me.
Well, look, I got 2 hours on that 70. I'm trying to get to the spot, drop this load.
Where you headed?
Something paper. This little paper plant that's in Syracuse.
Oh, okay, cool.
Pick that up, drop this. Like, I'm hoping I can just leave the trailer because the pre-plan right there with the loaded trailer, and then I can get out of there.
Okay. Then ran into some supporters in New York. Yeah, I promise you, I did not go to Starbucks. I promise you. So we done made it back to the truck, and I promise y'all, I did not get no Starbucks. It wasn't even hard because I already drank my coffee, and I'm getting ready to end my day. But I'm gonna be strong out on the road this time. No Starbucks at all. Not even if I deserve it. We'll see. But I didn't get none today, y'all, so y'all should be proud of me. Alright, so we done made it to the last exit in New York. And we get ready to park it. Hopefully there's some parking. It is currently 4:58 p.m. When I originally put this in the GPS earlier, whenever I left the shipper, they told me that I was gonna get here around 5:45. So We beat the GPS time. There should be some spots. More than likely all the good spots is gone. But we coming in hot. Hold on, look kind of empty. Y'all know I like that front row parking. I don't know, it don't look too empty the closer I get. If I see a pull through, I'm taking it because y'all, I started my clock at like 4 a.m. and my drive clock currently got like 45 minutes left on it. I usually don't drive till my drive clock is this low, but we had to push it today so I can be able to drop this load off early. Is that a spot right there? Hold on now. If this is a spot, we about to get this. Ah, there's a handicap spot. They lucky I care. Oh, there go a spot right there. But I ain't in position no more. A little slippery back here. Oh no, there goes some front row parking right there. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna dip around this way. Swerve back around. And set ourselves up for a straight back on this other side. I know y'all tired of hearing them flashes. Bedroom shoes? I've parked here before. It just looks so different with snow on the ground. Looks nasty. Coming. Can't do too much turning because my tandems is further up. I think I'm in, what did I say earlier? I'm in the 5th hole. So that means my trailer is gonna swing a lot more if I turn too much to my non-truckers. Truckers, if you're watching this video, just disregard everything that I be saying. And we parked for today. Listen to these brakes.